Workers here at this factory in Dongguan in South China's Guangdong province are working around the clock, trying to put together shoes like this that will be sold in US. A pair of shoes like this will take several steps to make, from cutting letters to making a shoe model and finally putting them all together. The final products will be sold around the world and carrying big brand names like Gucci and Marc Fisher. But it was one name that brings a lot of attention to this factory in recent months, and that is Ivanka Trump, the daughter of US President Donald Trump. Because of her father's promise to bring manufacturing jobs back to the US, the production of Ivanka's shoes in China came under a lot of scrutiny. The intense pressure of making shoes for Ivanka can even be felt here at the factory. Just recently, several workers, including the PR manager, were fired because a foreign photographer took some pictures of workers without permission. But attention or even news like US department store Nordstrom stopped selling Ivanka's shoes cannot seem to stop workers here from meeting their order deadline. And this is just one of the several factories in China that makes shoes for Ivanka. Many said the orders for the Ivanka shoe line have not been affected so far. Industry insiders and experts said, despite all the talks, President Trump will unlikely be able to bring jobs such as making Ivanka's shoes to the US. Chen Qingqing in Dongguan.